Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is me and Libhan. In the previous video, we have discussed pronoun. So let's move on towards its types. There are 6 types of pronouns. Number 1, personal pronouns. Number 2, possessive pronouns. Number 3, reflexive pronouns. Number 4, reciprocal pronouns. Number 5, relative pronouns. Number 6, demonstrative pronouns. In the first type, personal pronouns, it can be he, she, I, you, they, it, him, her, them, me, who, whom. And in possessive pronouns, we used his, hers, yours, theirs, mine, ours. And in reflexive pronouns, himself, herself, themselves, yourselves, myself, ourselves, itself. And in the reciprocal pronouns, we used each, other, one another. And in relative pronouns, we used who, whom, whose, which, that. And in the last type of pronoun, which is demonstrative pronouns, we use this, these, that, and those. I hope it will be helpful for you. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.